Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated lightweight vacuum cleaners. Whether you have carpeted flooring or wooden decks, lightweight vacuum cleaners are the most convenient equipment for floor cleaning. It has a frame that's easy to move around either by kids or the elderly, and it isn't a hassle to carry around when going on vacations. Most vacuums sanitize the flooring by utilizing the electric motor, which circulates and absorbs air along with particles of dust and dirt. Through the years, lightweight vacuum cleaners have adopted a variety of features such as self-regulating automatic settings and smart connections. Today, we are sweeping through the 7 top-rated lightweight vacuum cleaners that'll help your home look spotless. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the lightweight vacuum cleaners that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first lightweight vacuum cleaner in our list is the eufy by Anke Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Perfect for carpet and wooden floors as well as glass surfaces, eufy by Anke Robot Vacuum Cleaner has all the features for easy cleaning. The 2.5-inch thin design and 5.73 pounds light and packed with a 1300 power amplifier suction strength. Its large wheels can roll over messy carpets and climb over door ledges for more thorough vacuuming. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the eufy by Anke Robot Vacuum Cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. No attention needed. The drop-fall technology of this vacuum cleaner recognizes edges to avoid falling, and it'll go back to the charging base by itself when the power is low. Triple filter system. The dual-layer filter is assisted by one more high-performance filter for a cleaner home. Boost IQ technology. This device automatically boosts the suction power in dustier areas within 1.5 seconds. Premium features. This item is protected by an anti-scratch temper glass protector and infrared sensor. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the vacuum cleaner is not selective in choosing areas that it should not clean, so we recommend closing doors or putting high boundary strips on restricted areas. The second lightweight vacuum cleaner in our list is the BISSELL MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum. Offering an innovative lift-off technology, BISSELL MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum is a great friend to pet owners who see a lot of fur or hair over the floor, the desk, and even the couch. It has a cyclonic pet hair spooling system that offers one-touch emptying of pets' fur and hair. While upright, this device stands at 31.9 inches with a weight of 15.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BISSELL MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. HEPA-sealed allergen system. This vacuum cleaner has a high-efficiency particulate air filter that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. Tangle-free brush roll. You can avoid the hassle of trapped hair around the brush roll. Washable filter. The pre-motor filter can be removed easily and left under running water for maintenance of the machine's performance. Specialized tools. From the box you get a pet turbo eraser, 2-in-1 crevice tool, and a dusting brush. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the 2-in-1 wand attachment is quite flimsy. The third lightweight vacuum cleaner in our list is the Eureka RapidClean Pro Lightweight Cordless Vacuum. Perfect for wooden, tiled, and rugged floorings, Eureka RapidClean Pro Lightweight Cordless Vacuum is a multifaceted contender for polishing your house. The LED headlights illuminate your cleaning routine so that you can see the debris and dust clearly. In terms of size, the stick is 43.3 inches tall, and the whole device has a weight of 5.26 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Eureka RapidClean Pro Lightweight Cordless Vacuum a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Long-lasting runtime. The 25.2-volt lithium battery provides outstanding power up to 40 minutes without charging. Cyclone filtration. The cyclonic filtration system segregates large particles, dust, and debris. Easy to maneuver. The low-profile head has swivel steering that can reach corners that are normally hard to reach or lay down flat to get areas under low cabinets and furniture. Easy rest feature. If you have a counter, table, or a desk available, you can conveniently rest this vacuum cleaner against it. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the machine is relatively loud when turned on. The fourth lightweight vacuum cleaner in our list is the INSE SX Cordless Lightweight Vacuum. The high-efficient 6-stage filtration system of INSE SX Cordless Lightweight Vacuum makes it a reliable contender. Its 65 decibels, ultra-quiet mode, 1.2-liter capacity, and 180 degrees flexible brush lead are all working together for optimal tidying. In terms of size, this device is 17.4 inches tall with a weight of 5.93 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the INSE S6 Cordless Lightweight Vacuum a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Advanced motor. The motor has 120,000 revolutions per minute speed with a lifespan of up to 10 years. Powerful modes. The max mode runs up to 20 minutes to pick large particles, while the standard mode runs up to 45 minutes to clean fine debris. Roller brushes. The stiff roller can clean low and medium pile carpets, while the soft roller can roll up pet hairs on hard floors. Easy storage. Compact design makes it easy to place in cabinets and mount to walls. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it falls over quite easily if you let it lean on tables and countertops, so we recommend hanging it to the wall. The 5th lightweight vacuum cleaner in our list is the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner. If you're searching for a versatile tool for cleaning, Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner got you covered. This 49.17-inch item can transform into a handheld frame for tidying stairs, sofas, and cars. You can easily vacuum your ceilings and floor with its portable weight of just 5.86 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Advanced filtration. This vacuum cleaner picks up 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Fade-free runtime. The non-motorized attachment can tidy your space for up to 60 minutes. Deep cleaning. The 3 cleaning mode offers powerful suction and torque drive cleaner that removes dirt embedded on the ground. Drop-in docking. The wall-mounted dock makes the vacuum cleaner easy to charge and store. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the bin gets full relatively quick. The 6th lightweight vacuum cleaner in our list is the iRobot Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum. The adaptive navigation of the iRobot Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum will help you effortlessly clean up your home. This device automatically goes to its power source and recharges after 90 minutes of cleaning. In terms of size, the item is 3.54 inches thick with a weight of 5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the iRobot Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. iRobot Home App. The free app allows you to schedule your running time for consistent and remote tidying. Voice Assistant. You can connect this vacuum cleaner to Google Assistant or Alexa for hands-free operation. Thorough cleaning. This device has a 3-stage cleaning system. Dual multi-surface brushes and edge sweeping brush for cleaning carpeted and hard floors even in corners and edges. Active sensors. The Dirt Director sensor goes to the area with most dirt such as high traffic spots and picks up debris rigorously. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the vacuum's operation is quite loud. The 7th lightweight vacuum cleaner in our list is the Shark Navigation Lift-Away Speed Lightweight Vacuum. The lift-away technology of Shark Navigator Lift-Away Speed Lightweight Vacuum allows you to clean stairs, ceilings, and furniture. It has an extendable hose and a detachable pod so you won't lug the whole device while cleaning. In terms of size, the device is 45.6 inches tall with a weight of 13.4 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Speed Lightweight Vacuum a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Anti-Allergen Complete Seal. This vacuum cleaner captures and traps over 99.9% of particles down to 0.3 microns. Self-cleaning brush roll. This device can pick up your pet's hair without getting tangled. Effortless to maneuver. The swivel steering can get to hard-to-reach areas such as the bottom of the bed or underneath cabinets. Easy controls. The suction control slider easily manages suction power for customized levels of cleaning. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the canister is a bit small. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated lightweight vacuum cleaners, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next lightweight vacuum cleaner roundup, which you would like our team to test, to drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.